Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I am showing you a picture of my very messy closet downstairs in my daughter's bathroom. And as you see, it's gotten very out of hand. So I am going to tackle this today and just kind of quickly get it organized. You can see how she has just been cramming everything in this closet. And I have been asking her to get it organized, and as I was putting some towels and things from doing laundry, I was putting things in here this morning, or I was trying to put some things up this morning in here, and I was like, well, I'm just gonna have to tackle this real quick and get it back to shape. So that's what I'm going to do, and I just want to show you the before, and then I'm going to show you the after. So as you see, it's just a very small closet. This is the size of most of both of our closets. We have two very small little linen closets just like this in our bathroom. So we do not have really any storage. So yeah, it does make it hard to keep anything. And sorry, yeah, this is my floor creaking, what you're hearing, that creaky sound. And it is hard to keep it clean and organized, but I I try to tackle it. I have to redo it every so often because it gets out of hand. They tend to mess it up, but yeah, I'm going to tackle this just real quick, and I don't know if I'll do any containers or anything. I don't know. I may just kind of straighten this and revamp it a little bit, and I've got some containers I could use in it, but I don't know if I'm going to go around and go find containers and all that right now, because a lot of stuff I've got boxed up and everything, because I thought we were going to move and stuff over the summer, and we never did. So yeah, everything's still kind of boxed up, and I'm trying to get things unboxed and organized and put back where they need to be. So anyway, I'll just see what I can do, and then I'm going to show y'all the after. So I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm back, and here is how the closet looks now after I got it all cleaned out and put back and organized. So this is the top of the closet, and all the way down. So I've even got some room to spare. Look at that. Look how much nicer it looks. See, I've got room to spare here. Empty space. I couldn't believe it. Look how much better that looks. Can you believe that? Empty space. I'm still not real thrilled about the bottom section down there. I still think it looks a little cluttered. So I may go back and revamp that just a little bit. But, you know, this will be fine for now because, I mean, at least all these towels are much better. Now, I mean, these are like those are the towels we switch out during the holiday time, you know, like the Christmas and winter, fall, spring, summer, all those kind of towels like that are down there. These are just regular washcloths and hand towels. I put the washcloths in the basket so they wouldn't fall over. And then I have all these white towels here because I'll use those for, like in the winter time, I like to put under the doors and under around the windows and stuff, or if we have any spills or cleanups. They're easy to, you know, wash and bleach, you know, to clean with. So that's why I have a lot of just old white towels. Those are mainly my cleaning towels. You know, know, cleaning rags, but like cleaning towels, just to clean spills up off the floors, and like I said, just to, you know, if I got a plant with a lot of water, or if the, you know, something's leaking, or, you know, anything like that, and you need a big towel, or, you know, you need some towels to put in the car, or anything like that, you know, you got, like in the winter time, when you coming in, it snows here in winter, so you got wet shoes and all that. You need towels by the door. I use a lot of these towels in the wintertime, so that's why I have a lot of those. They're easy to wash, you know, you just throw them in the wash with bleach. So there we go. That's why I've got all those. And then there's our just, you know, normal everyday towels right there. So, and then of course up there is rugs and the beach towels for going to the pool in the summertime. My daughter goes to the pool. So, yeah, that's how I got it organized and cleaned up. And so all the other stuff just needed to go up under the sink, which that'll kind of have to be more organized later. I didn't really have time to do that, but anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I think it looks a lot better, because now when I go put her towels up after washing them, they're not, or give them to her, they can easily be put in here and taken out, and no one's just shoving towels in and out, or I'm not coming in here pulling something and it just all falling into the floor or on my head. So I like this a lot better. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.